Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Rudraswamy. I'm handling physics classes for you. In today's class, we shall start a new chapter, that is ray optics and optical instruments. First, we shall discuss about what is optics. Here the word optics is derived from the Greek term optica. It is derived from the Greek term. It is derived from the Greek term optica. Then what is the meaning of optica? The meaning of optica is that matter of vision. The meaning of optica is that matter of vision. So the optics is derived from the Greek term optica, which means that matter of vision. And what is optics? Optics is the branch of physics which deals with properties of light. It is a branch of physics which deals with the properties of light. Optics is a branch of physics which deals with the properties of light. Next, we shall discuss about light. In your lower classes, you already studied about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy. It is one kind of form of energy which enables us to see the objects. With the help of light, we can see the object. With the help of light, we can see the board, we can see the tree, we can see the wall. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the objects. Next, we shall discuss about the properties of light. The first property is that light always travels in vacuum. Light travels in a vacuum with the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is the first property. Light travels in vacuum. Light travels in vacuum with the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Light travels in vacuum with the speed 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is the first property. Second property is that here light always travels in a straight line. Light always travels in a straight line. This phenomenon is called as rectilinear propagation. Light always travels in a straight line. This phenomenon is called as rectilinear propagation. Next property is that light undergoes the phenomenon of reflection, refraction, and dispersion. Here These are the three important properties of light. Light travels in vacuum with speed 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Light always travels in a straight line. This phenomenon is called as rectilinear propagation. Light undergoes a phenomenon of reflection, refraction and dispersion. Next we shall discuss about monochromatic light. What is monochromatic light? Mono. What is the meaning of mono? Mono is nothing but single. What is monochromatic light? The light having single color. Light having single color or single wavelength is called as monochromatic light. Example is that sunlight. Sunlight or white light is the example for monochromatic light. Sunlight. Light having single color or single wavelength is called as monochromatic light. Example is the sunlight. Next one is the composite light. What is composite light? The light having several colors. The light having several colors or several wavelengths is called as composite light. Example is the Vibgaya. In rainy season, you can observe the Vibgaya in the sky. Light having several colors, several wavelengths is called as composite light. Example is the Vibgaya. Next we shall discuss about the self-luminous bodies. The self-luminous bodies What is self-luminous bodies? The bodies which emit their own light. Bodies which emit their own light is called as self-luminous bodies. Example, sun, stars. These are some of the example for self-luminous bodies. The bodies which emit their own light. Example is that sunlight. The bodies which emit their own light is called as self-luminous bodies. Example is that sunlight, stars. These are some of the example for luminous, self-luminous bodies. Okay. Next, we shall discuss the non-luminous bodies. Bodies with just reverse that of self-luminous bodies. Non-luminous bodies, these are the bodies which do not emit their own light. Which do not emit their own light, but reflects the light that falls on them. Example is that planets, moon, satellites, stones, tree. These are some of the example for non-luminous bodies. Okay. In today's class, we discussed about optics. It means optics is the branch of physics which deals with properties of light. Then what is light? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the objects. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the objects. Next, coming to the properties of light. First property is that light travels in vacuum with speed equals to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Light always travels in a straight line. This phenomenon is called as rectilinear propagation. And also light undergoes the phenomenon of reflection, refraction as well as dispersion. Now also we have discussed monochromatic light. Mono means single. That means light having single color is called as monochromatic light. Example, sunlight. Next, composite light. Light having several colors or several wavelengths is called as composite light. Example, Vidgaya. Next, coming to the self-luminous bodies. The bodies which emit their own light. The bodies which emit their own light is called as self-luminous bodies. Example is that sunlight. Next, coming to the non-luminous bodies. These are the bodies which do not emit their own light. Example, planets and moon.